What happened to the EBC-46 miracle cancer drug?
Back in 2014, researchers published the results of a study in the journal PLOS One that showed the complete destruction of tumors, without relapse, in 75 of laboratory mice treated with direct injections of EBC-46 into the cancerous cells. In some cases, this destruction occurred in as little as 48 hours.
Dr. Glenn Boyle was the lead author of that study, conducted by a team of cancer scientists at the Queensland Institute of Medical Research, Australia, as well as the private pharmaceutical company EBC-46. The team extracted a compound from seeds contained in the berry of the brushwood tree Fontania picrospema, which only grows in the Atherton tablelands, an area of rainforest in the north of Queensland.
At the time, Boyle stated that in most cases a single injection starts killing the cancer off in 4 to 5 hours. He also said the compound works in 3 ways. It kills the tumor, cuts off the blood supply, and activates the immune system to clear it all up.
In extremely broad brushstrokes, researchers posit that the compound achieves these goals primarily by activating an enzyme called protein kinase, though the exact mechanisms remain unclear.
In December 2016, an article entitled "Scientists Find Australian Berry to Cure Cancer in 48 Hours" started doing the rounds and is still being widely shared. But is this 100% true?
Before posting something on this blog, I thoroughly researched the subject on various trusted cancer and research sites, as well as searching across the web for the most current information available. And regarding this subject, this is what I have found.
EBC-46 holds the patent to EBC-46, and trials were first conducted on mice, cats, dogs, and horses through direct injections, first with melanoma models as well as cancers of the head and neck, where the response and cure were long-term and enduring with little or no relapse in more than 70 of the preclinical cases.
Work then moved on to cancers of the colon, breast and prostate cancers, and the results showed a 75% success rate.
EBC-46 moved on to human trials. 8 different patients with 4 different cancers were treated across Australia. The cancers melanoma, squamous cell carcinoma, basal cell carcinoma, and breast adenocarcinoma were all successfully treated.
According to Dr. Victoria Gordon, CEO of EBC-46, none of the patients showed any side effects. It's proving our theory that it's not species-specific, and it's not tumor-specific either, because it's actually working in a range of tumors.
According to EBC-46, animal studies have been successful enough to bring EBC-46 to the trial phase as a medicine for tumors in dogs and horses, with future trials in the works for cats.
In treatment of over 100 dogs, cats and horses, intratumoral injection of EBC-46 has successfully ablated or significantly palliated a range of advanced, inoperable tumors, melanomas, sarcomas, carcinomas, mast cell tumors, and sarcoids, while causing no significant long-term side effects. A topical formulation of EBC-46 has also been used to successfully treat ulcerative squamous cell carcinomas on cats and horses.
EBC-46 has begun a phase I trial of EBC-46 in humans, as stated on their website.
EBC-46 is currently being evaluated for safety in a clinical phase I trial in patients with cutaneous or subcutaneous solid tumors. Such tumors include melanoma, head and neck cancer, SCC and BCC of the skin, and Merkel cell carcinoma. In this trial, EBC-46 is delivered locally in a single treatment by direct injection into tumors. The trial is being conducted in Australia by clinicians in Sydney, Melbourne, Brisbane, and Adelaide.
Australia's National Health and Medical Research Council describes a phase I clinical trial as follows.
Phase I clinical trials are done to test a new biomedical intervention for the first time in a small group of people between 20 to 80 to evaluate safety, to determine a safe dosage range, and identify side effects.
Thank you for watching this video. Below is a link to the article for your review.